In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding diatoms. Now, diatoms are chief producers in the oceans. This is true. They are a major component of the phytoplankton and they contribute significantly to the primary production in oceans. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. It is also true. They are indeed microscopic algae and they float in the water column, drifting passively due to their small size and the buoyancy provided by their unique cell walls. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. Now, the walls of diatoms are made up of silica that are very strong and durable and not easily destructible. And these silica-based walls give diatoms their unique structure. Hence, it is wrong regarding diatoms and thus it is the correct option. Option D. Diatomaceous earth is formed by cell walls of diatoms. This is also true because diatomaceous earth is a sedimentary deposit that is formed from the accumulated remains of the diatom's silica cell walls.